Darcei.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch back at it again with another video. On today's episode of A Black Girl Tries, we will be exploring an internet phenomenon. A sensation that has been sweeping the nation. The oh-so-popular VSCO Girl. Now, what is a VSCO Girl, you may ask? I didn't know either. I had to look it up. So I searched up, what in the heckaroonie is a VSCO Girl? And this is what I found. Alright, so according to this BuzzFeed News article, move over Instabaddies, VSCO girls are taking over social media. And then I scroll down and the first picture is just a massive amount of scrunchies. So many scrunchies. Your typical VSCO girl has a very specific list of items. A hydro flask water bottle, a scrunchie around her wrist, a crop top from Brandy Melville or oversized tee, handmade friendship bracelets, a puka shell necklace, and Birkenstocks or Crocs. Worn unironically. Dear God. She probably has a flagellaven and a reusable metal straw inside. And she's whizzing past you on a penny board. Her makeup is light and natural, topped off with Carmex lip balm. Her hair, most likely blonde, has easy beachy waves. Wow, what a gal. According to this article, Emma Chamberlain is considered to be a VSCO girl. Now, something that I noticed when I was looking through all of these VSCO girls is that they all seem to be very, very white. And that seems to be part of the aesthetic. So, a black VSCO girl, I don't know if that's possible, guys. Seems to be just for the white and skinny. So I think this might be a bit of a challenge, but we're gonna try. Now, what is VSCO girl makeup? When I googled VSCO girl makeup, this is what popped up. A bunch of really pretty white girls wearing little to no makeup. Now I'm kind of scared, guys, because this seems like makeup for pretty people. I don't know about that. I searched up VSCO girl makeup on YouTube, and the first thing that popped up was this tutorial. So we're just gonna click it and hope for the best.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah.
Wait. Hold on. This girl is the epitome of a VSCO girl. Look, she's got the scrunchie, she's got the shell necklace, she's got the oversized t-shirt. Now that's a VSCO girl.
This is just going to be a very simple routine of what I do and use on an everyday basis.
Oh my gosh, she's wearing 2 shell necklaces.
I'm really mad because I didn't use my reusable cup, but like...
I'm sorry, miss, but you're not using the reusable cup, so your VSCO card has been revoked. Have a nice day.
Alright, so my face is nice and ready to put makeup on, put my hair up.
Whoa, did you guys see the scrunchie coming in action?
I think I'm going to take Tarte's Tape Shape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium.
Okay, so the first thing she's doing is putting her concealer on.
I'm just kind of like randomly dabbing this concealer. Next I'm taking the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade Dark.
In the shade Dark? This is the first time that I'm using the Glossier foundation, so wish me luck, guys. Ooh. Ah yes, effortless beauty. Wait, I actually like this. Oh god. Bitch, I look beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty.
And I'll take some moisturizer and like mix it in. Hopefully this isn't, oh my god, that was a lot. I just like it to be like really dewy and light.
Oh my god, and then she mixes a moisturizer in with it? Okay. That was a lot. Oh god. But we have to be dewy, guys. Gotta be dewy. Oh yeah. I'm feeling the dew, guys. I'm doing the dew. Wait a second. Is this my new everyday foundation routine? Because damn.
I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. It looks like this. I'm gonna like dab this all over my face. I go through my tweets and I like them and I respond to you guys. Next I'm taking the Carity Brow Goals Pencil. It's like got the spoolie and then you've got the pencil. So we're just gonna a little bit underneath and I have to go up and right here, like where it's kind of bald. An update on my tooth.
Ah!
I'm gonna take this Tarte blush and it's called Natural Beauty. I don't know why I like question that. It looks like this and I put a very small amount.
She just uses a little bit of blush, so I'm gonna be taking this one from Glossier because I bought a bunch of Glossier products and I want to use them. Ew. Damn. That's natural. Feeling pretty VSCO already, guys.
I'm going to be taking this MAC Global Glow.
She uses the same brush for everything because VSCO girls don't know how to do makeup.
I am not good at makeup.
I'm going to take the same brush that I've been using for highlighter as well.
I put the highlighter on my nose and then I put it above my lip just a little bit. Like, you just put it on your lip. And then I'm gonna take this little red lipstick. It's really sheer. It's by Tarte. It's called Cherry.
We're doing lips now, so I've got to prep my lips with my Carmex lip balm. I've never used this before in my life. It smells like sweet gasoline. And then I'm gonna take this lip gloss from Glossier just to top it off. Oh yeah, she looking juicy.
Okay, see this pink color? So pigmented. This is why I'm such a mess. Anyways, forgot to put on bronzer.
Okay, so she forgot to put on bronzer, so that's what we're gonna do right now, using the same brush.
I literally just put it like right here. We're supposed to contour. I just use like my bronzer and I kind of just like go like this and then I like put it on my eyelids. If you put the mascara like closer to your lash line, it makes your lashes look darker and it also makes it look like you're wearing like eyeliner a little bit. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray.
The Urban Decay spray is kind of harsh, guys, so we're just gonna go over that a little bit with our Mario Badescu spray. Brush.
I'm wearing this shirt. It's from Urban Outfitters. Save the turtles.
Now it's time to put the finishing touches on the look. I'm gonna have to change out of this shirt. I took a trip to Urban Outfitters and I picked up this t-shirt right here. Then I got this necklace off Amazon. Power to the puka. Then I picked up a whole bunch of scrunchies. Cause you know what I always say, you can never have too many scrunchies. Next we gotta put on a wig cause we gotta have some classic surfer girl hair. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can put this wig up into a half up, half down style. Oh, you VSCO girls will never know the struggle of being a bald-headed bitch. I know you're somewhere. Release the Kanken! I got this backpack at Urban Outfitters along with this Mario Badescu spray and the t-shirt and all the scrunchies, just in case you were wondering. Someone tell me why this backpack costs $100. And then I also have this off-brand Hydro Flask because Hydro Flask does not ship to Canada and the independent sellers that are trying to sell it on Amazon are literally trying to sell it for $200. No ma'am. I think I look really super cute though, guys. Don't you think? Do you guys like my scrunchies? Do you want to borrow one? You totally can. I have so many. And I feel like my hair is kind of dry, so I'm just going to spray it down with some Mario Badescu spray. And it smells like roses. Oh my god, guess what, guys? BuzzFeed released a quiz about VSCO girls. That's me. So now we're going to do a VSCO girl quiz to see just how VSCO we totally are. Pick a VSCO girl approved sleepover idea. Pool sleepover. Wait, oh my god, are we sleeping in a pool? Oh my god. Trampoline sleepover, van sleepover, tent sleepover, Target run, or what's VSCO? Obviously, a trampoline sleepover, because I'm trying to bounce around, you know? I mean, pick a VSCO approved bedroom. You're not a VSCO girl unless you have one of these bedrooms. I'm gonna click this one with all the pink pillows and the vines. And pick a VSCO girl essential. Obviously, I'm gonna have to pick the oversized t-shirt because I can't live without my oversized t-shirts. Pick a VSCO approved outfit. I'm gonna click this one because it's from Urban Outfitters and I love Urban Outfitters. What is your overall opinion on VSCO girls? This one's totally a trick question because a VSCO girl would never say LOL. We only say oh my god, you guys, I got a 200%. I am a VSCO girl through and through, and my aesthetic is on point, duh. Look at my scrunchies, look at my hair, look at my pukas. Save the turtles. What? Oh, hey, I never seen you around here before. Are you new? Oh my god, you like my scrunchie? Thank you so much. And but you don't have one. You could just borrow one of mine. I have so many. And kill me. In all seriousness though, I actually look cute and I'm kind of liking the scrunchies. I'm feeling very secure with these scrunchies on. I feel like I'm about to power up with these scrunchies on. VSCO girl, activate. Pew, pew. You know, if I was 10 years younger, I might wear this. No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't. But to all you VSCO girls out there, stay VSCOing, and I hope sksksk. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This might have been the strangest one I've done so far. But let me know what else you want me to try in the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed by now, I don't know why you haven't subscribed, man, because this was hilarious. If you guys want to see more Black Girls Tries videos, I have some more over here. That's right, we got a whole playlist, girl. So get your popcorn and start binging. Ow. Ugh. Anyways, guys, I love ya so much. And bye.